Are you looking to access RingCentral voicemail? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can access your RingCentral voicemail. When you miss a phone call and the caller leaves a message, voicemails can be accessed in the RingCentral app, the admin portal, and by calling in using a different phone. You can reply to messages, record, and forward voicemails to multiple users without ringing the recipient's phone. Now, the first way to access your RingCentral voicemail is to launch open the RingCentral app. Now you want to dial *86, then enter your voicemail PIN when prompted. Follow the voice menu. Press 1 to listen to new messages, press 2 to listen to saved messages, and press 3 to change your PIN or settings. Next way is on the RingCentral app, you want to tap phone, then tap voicemail tab. From the list, you can sort by all or unread voicemails. Tap a voicemail in the list to open a detailed view that includes the caller's name and phone number. From here, you will have options such as mark as read, delete, phone, text, info, play, pause, share, create new contact, add to existing contact, and block number. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.